Copy UNC network path, not drive letter, for paths on map drives from Windows Explorer. I frequently want to share Windows network paths to files with other folks on my team via email or chat. We have a lot of map drives here, both ones we set up ourselves and one set up by our overlords. What I'd like to be able to do is to copy the full real path, not the drive letter, from Windows Explorer to send to folks. Example, I have a file in my queue, drive, /Cartman/users/emuler, and I want to send a link to the file foo.doc therein to coworkers. When I copy the file path, Shift plus right click, copy as path, it gets the file name q:/foo.doc in the clipboard. This is unhelpful to others, who would need to see /Cartman/users/emuler/foo.doc to be able to consume the link. In Explorer it clearly knows the full path. In the address bar I see computer, emuler, /Cartman/users, q. Is there a way to say hey man copy that path as text with the /Cartman/users/emuler not the q in it? I know I could just set up map network locations instead of the map drives for the ones that I set up personally and avoid this problem, but most of the map drives like the users share come from our corporate policy and can't be overridden. I could just make a separate network location and then ignore my queue drive, but that's inconvenient, and they do it so they can move accounts across servers. Sure, my email path might eventually break because I'm losing the drive letter indirection, but that's okay with me.
I had exactly the same problem. Not everyone had the same map drives as me, or mapped to the same letters. After much searching I found a context menu extension named path copy on GitHub. This URL, which is an extended version of a similar, older extension, called path copy, has quite a few options for copying paths as text, including one for UNC paths. Example of the options available are shown below. You can also choose to show only one or two lines on the base context menu. For example, you can have 2 lines, copy long path, and copy long UNC path. It's great for emailing users in your company who have access to a network path, and if they have the same network mapping as you can choose the former, otherwise you can use the latter. Update: as of version 12.0, a new portable installer is available on the above site, which installs only for the current user into the ipdata/local folder. I've not tried this, but it could be a solution for those who are prohibited from installing normally.
Maybe a long way around, but open a CMD window. Then enter netuse command in any folder. It will return all the mapped folders like below, shown as example only. If you want, you can send the above output to a file, for example, p:/. Then open the file, drives.txt, and you can copy the path from the file for your use. You can also copy from the command line window itself. Hope this helps.
Jeff was basically spot on, but to take it one step further. Right drag the folder from Windows Explorer into the body of your new email. Then select Create Hyperlink here.
Update: Cool Call's approach is even easier than mine. Upvote that answer. Here's the workaround I use when sending mapped network paths via Outlook. In Windows Explorer, hold the Shift button down, or click on the file, and select Copy as Path. Insert a hyperlink in the email and paste in the address field of the hyperlink dialog box. Shortcut, Ctrl-K Ctrl-V plus OK. At this point, the link will display the mapped drive letter as the root, q:/foo.doc. Now, click and select Edit Hyperlink. You will notice that the address field has been translated back into the full UNC path, /Cartman/users/emailer/foo.doc. With your mouse in the address field, hit Ctrl-A and Ctrl-C to copy the full path to your clipboard, then move your cursor to the top field, Text to Display, hit Ctrl-A and Ctrl-V to display it correctly in your email.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.